was at US for some time, USA. And why I'm telling all these things is, you can from nowhere, but you can reach anywhere. Just try to do hard work. And I hope your teachers are all must be teaching you, and every day they must be telling about discipline, how to get disciplined, and how to motivate yourself apart from the teacher's motivation. See, you are considered as in Sanskrit. You know that you are considered as Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi means what? Vidya means knowledge, and Arthi means the desire. The student having desire to learn the knowledge is considered to be a Vidyarthi. So therefore, you are all students. You should have the empathy and desire to learn and get the knowledge. That is what the important thing which you need to have. See, apart from that, you need to have focus, dedication, a kind of discipline to achieve the goals. You know that. Some come by your parents will be dropping, some come by auto, some come by bus. But your goal is to reach the school. Similarly, you should have a goal. You should set yourself a goal. I want to reach that position. Accordingly, you have to plan. And see, there is a story. Like, for example, you can, for achieving your things, you need to put up your efforts. Efforts means you have to plan and try to achieve your goal. I'll tell a small story. See, efforts like crow. Crow means tells you kati. Kati untadi kati. Crow antadu. So there is a story, and this one crow would like to have water. It is there, and everybody knows this story. In the pond that wanted to have and drink the water. It reaches there, but the bee can't touch the water. So therefore, what he wanted to put some effort to get the water out. So it will try to get some pebbles, some stones, put in the pot so that water comes up. It has not left just like that without, okay, water is there down, I can't drink, I'll go up. No, it has its own plan to achieve the target. The target is to get the water up. So it has put the pebbles, stones and all so that water has come up. It drank. What is the message you are getting out of this is, you need to put constantly the effort. Effort, and without efforts, without planning, you can't achieve anything. See, there is another story like you need to put, second one is the focus. First one is the effort. If you want to achieve anything, you have to put the effort. Second one is the focus. You know that there is a kind of Telugulo మనం ఏమంటామంటే కొంగ ఉంటుంది కొంగ కొంగ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటారు crane. Yes, crane. Whenever you see the crane in the water, it stands on 1 feet. Why? It just looks for the fish. See, in spite of having a lot of hardship, it's standing 1 foot. It tries to search for the fish. It always looks for the big fish. See, with a lot of focus, it must be watching to get the fish. So once you get the big fish, by showing a lot of focus, so it gets its own thing, whatever you wanted to achieve. Similarly, you have to focus on your studies. You have to focus till you get to achieve whatever you are planning. The second quality is the focus. Third one is you need to be very alert. Alert like a dog. Dog, you always see at home. In the roads also you can see dogs. It always appears like it's sleeping. Dogs always in the sleeping mode. But no, even a small sound also, it picks up quickly like that. And it's called alertness. You need to be very alert towards your education. So these are all the things which you need to have every day, and you need to have a good education. Through education, you have to wanted to achieve many things. For that, since I'm working from National Institute of Nutrition, and nutrition labs, I don't know, one of your madam can take. Students are allowed to visit our institute also. It is there in the Tarmata, and this is a National Institute of Nutrition which works on the nutrition. You want to achieve things, you want to target few things, and you want to reach your goal, means you need to have sound food, good nutritious food. What are the good nutritious food? Nutritious food like good carbohydrates, good protein, good lipids, and without having malnutrition. You should try to avoid the junk food like soda, pizza, burger, all kinds of things which nowadays you prefer, because in Zomato quickly you order it, you will get it. But you don't know the consequences. If you have the foods which are not good for your health, you become laziness. you become tired, you'll be lethargic, so you can't achieve the things whatever you want. So you need to have good food, balanced food with lot of micronutrients, macronutrients, minerals, trace elements, vitamins, all good foods, all traditional foods, whatever your family makes at home, you to try to have it so that you will be very alert and nutritionally sound to achieve your targets. See, you have to be fit, basically. You have to fit means what? Not only the nutritional fit, you need to do physical exercise. Because nowadays, recently our Prime Minister said, you should not be obese. Obesity is a big problem. If you are not doing any kind of work, you are simply sitting idle, having a lot of food and sitting idle, you can't achieve things. You should not be obese. So you need to be a person dynamic towards having kind of good exercise. You should go and play every day some game. Choose the game and play around so that you can be physically fit. It gives a lot of mental strength also to achieve your goals. So like that, there are many things, and see, learning gives creativity. And if you want to learn, you should be creative. There you can see all kinds of stalls. What are all they have learned and very creative, and they have generated a creative work. And creativity gives a kind of thinking. You want to be more creative, you want to generate a kind of any kind of thing. For example, I'm a researcher, I'm a scientist. I want to do something means I need to think a lot. For creativity, you have to think. For thinking, thinking gives knowledge. If you are thinking, you get a lot of knowledge. Because in the beginning itself, I have seen there is a robot giving a flower. So without knowledge, how the creative things cannot also be executed. So knowledge gives kind of great support for your mental strength. So you need to strive hard to achieve your goals, be brave, be disciplined, and things, whatever you plan, get done through the help of your teachers, your parents and surroundings, and don't be restricted to this kind of things which I want to do this only, I want to do this only, not like that. You have to plan according to your wish, and what you are planning, you can execute with a lot of confidence, you can do it. And for the students who are going for the examination, my best wishes and all the very best for your future. And you can visit our institute anytime if you want to learn more things about the nutrition. Thank you and wish you all the best.